we're working on this head here, and we're getting some good shape to it. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to flatten these out, straighten them out some. A little better. So now we're going to open this up a little bit in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We'll use this head here. That pretty well set. That's about how we want it. We're going to get these rounded down yet more, and we're going to take this down a little bit more in the sides here. we're cutting this down. We got a good bridge to the nose coming on. So now we're just going to smooth this all up a little bit here, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.